At Cook Spring Company, quality is not just a standard, it's our promise. For over 70 years, we've been dedicated to manufacturing precision springs that exceed industry expectations and deliver performance you can trust. From advanced materials selection to state-of-the-art testing and inspection processes, we leave no room for compromise. Our commitment to quality runs deep because we know that your success depends on it. Welcome to Cook Spring Company's Quality Assurance Program, where precision meets excellence. Every spring begins with the right material. That's why we source only the highest grade wire, ensuring your springs and components meet the most demanding requirements. Our process starts with precision engineering. Using advanced design tools and decades of experience, we tailor every part to fit your exact specifications. After the springs are made, they are hand-delivered to our quality assurance team. Our skilled team members then meticulously inspect each spring. We combine hands-on expertise with high-tech tools to catch even the smallest imperfections. But inspection is just the start. We push our products to their limits, testing for durability, load capacity, and fatigue resistance to ensure they perform flawlessly in real-world conditions. Once we feel confident that your parts will function the way you intend them to, every batch of springs undergoes a certification process to meet the strictest industry standards. And the result? Springs you can trust, no matter the application. With less than 0.5% production rejection rate, it's not just a number, it's our promise to customers. From engineers to inspectors, every team member at Cook Spring Company is committed to delivering products that exceed expectations. So why choose Cook Spring? Because when precision matters, we deliver.